everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair, and today we're going to be doing like a side, edgy, tight, big haired braid, okay? So you are going to start off by sort of coming mid sort of brow, taking your comb, and we're going to be parting the hair. And then I am just going to bring it a little bit more towards this right hand side so it isn't gone straight down the back of the head. I'm just going to place this hair out of the way in a loose bobble, okay, because it's this side I'm going to be braiding. So we're going to start off by taking a slice of hair going really vertically like that, and we're going to break this section into 3 like so, and we're going to go underneath the middle, underneath the middle, underneath the middle, and we're going to add some into this section. So before I come underneath with this one, I'm just going to leave out a little piece of hair like so. So I'm going to come under, adding some in, really making sure that's nice and tight, and then again before I come under with this bit, we're going to leave a little section out. So under it goes, under it goes. Again, leaving a little piece out of this side before we take that under. Do that again. So again, I'm just leaving a piece out before it goes under. Adding a piece in, keep that tension. Leaving a little piece out before it goes under. So making sure that you're keeping the sections really narrow at this bit and going slightly wider, so it's almost like a little sort of that shape. It's almost like a little triangular shape rather than the same thickness all the way. So super thin here, really thin, can you see? And then slowly just going just a tiny bit wider. So I'm on the last 2 little sections now, really working hard to try and keep this nice and tight into the head. Yeah. So just finishing this off, just braiding down a little way. Okay, that's that bit done. So just releasing this hair on the left. Releasing all of our sections down, and we're not far off finished, so we're going to attach this underneath in a moment. So I'm just lifting this hair out of the way for a moment, and then we're just going to combine this nice and tight. I want that braid to sit right tight to the nape of the neck. Releasing this down. So this bit is optional. I'm just going to take these sections and just work in some back comb. And then we're just going to gently work the very top surface of the hair here. So we really want to sort of these to come away from the head to really create that definition of where you've left that little strand out as you were braiding. And we'll spray these at the end as well to give extra definition. So come to these ones as well. So you've got this really feminine style from the front and then all to the side here with those nice waves, and then it's only as you turn the style around that you see all this intricate detail with this braiding. I just think it gives that really nice sort of balance between sort of quite a severe braid, but then quite soft on the other side, so it's still quite feminine. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.